Hey, how you doing? It's Mike with the BBQ Depot. Today we're going to go over how to find your model and serial number on your Lynx Sedona grills. So it's actually in two different places. We're going to kind of show you exactly where they're at. So the first place you want to check is underneath the drip tray. So you want to pull the drip tray out, and on the underside here, there's a sticker here that will give you the model and the serial number. If you cannot read this, where maybe it's dirty or grease or burnt off, the next place it is going to be behind your control panel. So you're going to have to take a Phillips head screwdriver. There's two screws here. If you have a newer one, if you have an older one, you might have two up here. So you want to remove those screws. You want to take your knobs off. And then what you want to do is you want to kind of just lift it up and out. And then if you come in here, you'll see that behind the control panel on the inner firebox here, you'll see a label that's got your model, serial number, and everything there for anything that you need. So you're gonna need that if you do warranty parts. You're gonna need that if you wanna just look up parts. It's real easy. When you're done, you would just kind of put the control panel back where it was. And then also what you wanna do is you wanna find, if you got a new grill, you wanna find your warranty card. And you want to fill out your warranty card with your model and serial number, so if you do have any issues with warranty, Lynx Sedona will have you on file and make the process a lot easier. So if you have any questions or need any help in locating anything on the grill, serial number, model number, or just parts, or any questions you have, you can call us toll free, 877-983-0451, or you can go to our website, thebbqdepot.com.